Anganwadi workers, helpers, Asha workers, street vendors organization and union organized rally today from Naramthong to DC Imphal West demanding separate policy and provision for women. The rally was organized by Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh Manipur State. They also submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner N. Praveen urging for a separate policy and provision at public places, bank, vendors, hospital. Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh Manipur State Joint Secretary Koijam Mandikine also demanded to upgrade Anganwadi centers to pre-primary schools. Ita Northeast Women's Network Group celebrated the International Women's Day 2021 today at Ima Market, Nupi Kaitel No. 3 in Imphal. Kangpokpi Constituency MLA Nimcha Kipgen, Patsoi Constituency MLA Akwejam Mirabai and Apunba Manipur Kanba Ima Lub AM Amkil President Ima Ngambi Lawrembam attended the function as main guests. ITA founder RK Sophia was also present at the function. In the function, 30 women from various walks of life will be presented with the Women of Substance Award for their contributions to the society. The number of COVID-19 cases in the country saw an increase in the last 24 hours with 18,599 new cases, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed today. A media report said as many as 97 deaths were also reported in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 1,57,853. The total number of positive cases in the country now stands at 1,12,29,398, including 1,88,747 active cases and 1,08,82,798 recoveries. Manipur registered 3 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 29,291. The coronavirus active cases have decreased to 28, while the recorded cases is 28,890, according to COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal East, Imphal West, and Churachandpur districts. The recovery rate is 98.63% as of today, while the death toll stands at 373. Imphal Obstetrics and Gynecological Society organized a cervical and breast cancer awareness and screening program today at Welfare Club Moirangkom. The program is a part of campaign which began from March 6 last. Honorary Secretary of the Society, Dr. R.K. Paneshwari Devi, said that the awareness and screening program hopes to give awareness on cervical and breast cancer by early detection of the disease and giving treatment. Yambem Govin, a player of Aztecs Fight Studio, has successfully attempted a World Guinness record on full extension punch of 344 in just 1 minute, while another fighter of Aztecs Fight Studio, Taunaujam Niranjoy, successfully completed 144 fingertips push-ups in 1 minute today at a performance attempt program held at the Aztecs Fight Studio located at BT Road, Imphal. Langtabal Constituency MLA Karam Sham, Wako General Secretary Sarungbam Umakanta and Passport Seva Kendra APO PH Maheshwari Devi were Dias members on the occasion. Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh Manipur State, the Anganwadi workers, helpers, Asha workers, street vendors, women organization, union and women association in Nonay district today celebrated the International Women's Day 2021. Our correspondent reported a peace rally was held at Longmai Bazaar area in Nonay marking the occasion. During the program, demands on Anganwadi Center acting as pre-primary school, proper market sheds, venues for street vendors, increasing minimum wages of Asha workers to Rs 18,000 were raised. Around 300 women took part at the rally. Artists of Gauranagar of Hojai District, Assam organized a wall painting day today commemorating International Women's Day. The wall painting was held under the theme Ekoi Hingminasi. Warna advisor and artist Purit Sabam Dipali said that the wall painting will help educating the masses on various crimes against women around the world.